These Klipsch in-walls slap harder than floor speakers? Our R-5650-S review gets spicy. Ever been deep in a movie scene, emotions high, suspense building, only to have your immersion wrecked by tinny, sad surround sound? Or worse, clunky, speaker boxes ruining your living room vibe like an 80s stereo graveyard? Yeah, we've all been there, struggling with setups that promise cinematic but deliver meh. You want powerful sound without visual chaos. But instead, you end up wasting hours on rewiring disasters or overpaying for bass that buzzes like a beehive. If your current setup makes your walls cry and your ears roll, it's time to rethink your sound game. Now crank that frustration to 11. You've got friends over, snacks are out, popcorn is ready, and boom, the movie starts. But the audio? Flat. Narrow. And you're left with that creeping embarrassment like, damn, this is not it. You try turning it up, but instead of thunderous clarity, you get distortion city. Your living room feels more like a sad mono speaker from a motel TV than a home theater. And meanwhile, you're fuming, because you know the sound should be better. Your gears dragging your experience down, and your wallet still recovering from the last upgrade. Enter the Klipsch R-5650-S 2-in-wall speaker pair, the sleek savior your space and sanity deserves. These beasts are flush-mounted masterpieces that disappear into your walls yet explode with crisp, room-filling audio. Thanks to dual titanium horn-loaded tweeters and a punchy 6.5-inch Cerametallic woofer, you get a wide surround soundstage that's crystal clear and buttery smooth. And with Klipsch's wide dispersion surround technology, every seat is the best seat in the house, no awkward audio blind spots. Finally, a speaker setup that actually walks the talk. But let's not stop at specs. These speakers live for performance. Think paintable magnetic grilles so they blend in like architectural ninjas, easy installs without drywall drama, and pro-level clarity that punches way above their in-wall class. From thunderous explosions to whispered dialogue, the R-5650-S delivers every detail with goosebump-inducing precision. Want cinematic without the clutter? Boom, here it is. And hey, don't just take my word for it. Verified buyers are raving across forums, calling them perfection and pure surround bliss. You've got the proof, now get the perks. So here's your moment. Stop compromising. Stop settling. If you're serious about audio but allergic to bulky boxes and tangled wires, the Klipsch R-5650-S is your ticket to sonic nirvana. They're selling fast, and with a lifetime warranty and glowing 5-star reviews, you'd be crazy not to snag a pair while you can. Don't let another movie night go flat. Click, install, and feel the upgrade. Your ears will thank you. Your walls won't complain. And your friends? They'll be asking what sorcery you've installed. Ready to flex that sound? Let's go.